Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Proton Mail folders. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on this plus icon on the folders and go ahead and give it a name. So normally you'll be using folders in order to organize. So for example, if you have a work, or for example, let's just say store mails that are gonna come, or maybe customers mails that are gonna come, right? So for example, I'm just gonna write customers and click on save. And now once I've done that, if I want to go ahead and add any of these mails into the customers folder, so right over here, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on this button and then click on customers and click on move. Now, as you can see, it just moved from my inbox straight to customers. So that is about it. Now, you can use it to organize a lot of things. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.